Nobody really tells you how hard life gets after 20. One minute you are young and carefree, and the next minute you are already thinking about how you are falling behind or how you are failing in life. If you ever felt lost, stuck, or you are just trying to figure things out generally, well, you are not alone. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to see reasons why you should never think like that. Hi guys! Welcome to Shally's Space. My name is Shally. I'm a 23 years old graduate living in Nigeria, and this is my journey to leveling up before 30. I am navigating these crazy things called life, and this is my official first video on YouTube, my official introductory video. Yes, actually I've posted one video earlier, but I did not like it. And I've actually changed some things around my YouTube channel, so I'm just like, I can make another number one, because why not? And before I continue, you might want to support me by subscribing to my channel and helping me grow alongside. I realized that there are so many things I wish I knew before my 20s, instead of just struggling alone and just thinking I'm stuck or stagnant. So I'm like, why not share this journey with people that might actually need to hear this, or might actually need to hear from me? Maybe you are in your teenage years, or you are even in your 20s like me. So basically, this channel is going to be all about self-development, personal growth, life lessons, navigating digital space together, and even making money online. That is essential. And my aim and goals for this channel is to actually help people, is to build community of like-minded people, teach people how to make money online while I am also doing that, put out ways they can develop themselves, ways you can develop yourself as a teenager, as a person in their 20s, early 20s, late 20s, and all that life has to offer, life lessons. I'll be using my own life lessons to bring out tips on how you can go about some certain things in life without being getting stuck. And another one is that I want this channel to monetize like in less than a month, in less than 2 months if possible. Actually, that's my goal. That's why I want it to be about value. And I don't know but I think that just has to do with YouTube algorithm and all of those. But to me, if anybody asks, I want this channel to grow and monetize in nothing less than 2 months, and at most 3 months. I think it's possible, but yeah, either way, even if that doesn't happen, I'm still going to push out everything that I have and everything that I am learning alongside. So I want this to actually be a real community of like-minded people. So if you have something that you wish you knew before your 20s, drop it in the comment section. Let's learn together, because yeah, we go together. I'm kind of nervous. I know this is my first video, it's not all perfect, but I don't have to wait till I'm perfect to come out and make videos, because I know along the line, as I'm making my videos, every time perfection might comes like that. So practice make improvements, and I'm a fan of improving, so I'm just going to be pushing out the videos more and more and more and more. Please watch. Thank you guys for watching my video to this point. Thank you so much. So please kindly subscribe, like, comment and share, and you can also turn on your notification button to get notified anytime I post my video. So that's it for my first video. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you.